This is Sparta!
Okay, here we go. Me. Here we go. Oh, what the fuck?
I do. I think I do look like that. Oh my. What animal are you in the sheets?
A lion. I am not a sloth or whatever it's called. I'm
This is Sparta!
Damn.
Okay, what is your animal twin? Let me see who is mine. Who my animal twin is? I know it's cute. I know it's
What they use to choose the animal. It's the hair.
This is Sparta!